Hi, engineers. Today we continue soft skills for Engineer Module 13 Part 5. In this part we will learn about the members of family. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. Learning goals. By the end of this assignment, you will be able to identify family members, talk about family members, talk about ownership of objects, write about your family. Nouns. We can find some examples of family words used as nouns in a sentence. Aunt. The sister of your mother or father or the wife of your uncle. Elisa's aunt is a doctor. Brother. A male having the same parents as you. Makiko has one brother. Brother-in-law. The husband of your sister or the brother of your wife. My brother-in-law is a waiter. Cousin. A son or a daughter of your aunt or your uncle. My mother has 4 sisters and I have many cousins. Daughter. Your female child. Kenneth's daughter is my friend. Daughter-in-law. The wife of your son. Margaret's son and daughter-in-law live in Portugal. Family. The people you are related to, including parents, children, brothers, and sisters. My family is very small. Father. Your male parent. Gina's father is a doctor. Father-in-law. The father of your husband or your wife. Leah's father-in-law lives in Toronto. Grandchild. A son or daughter of your son or daughter. Mildred has 4 grandchildren. Granddaughter. A daughter of your son or daughter. Charlie's granddaughter lives in Osaka. Grandfather. The father of your father or mother. Miranda's grandfather is 92 years old. Grandmother. The mother of your father or mother. Esteban's grandmother is a nice person. Grandson. A son of your son or daughter. My grandson is a university student. In-law. A parent brother or sister of your husband or your wife. My in-laws speak German and French. Mother. Your female parent. Josephine's mother is a lawyer. Mother-in-law. The mother of your husband or your wife. My mother-in-law likes swimming. Neighbor. Someone who lives near your house. I have very good neighbors. Nephew. A son of your brother or sister. Antonio's nephew is my neighbor. Niece. A daughter of your brother or sister. Zolma's niece doesn't like animals. Parent. Your father or mother. Jacqueline's parents live in Rome. Photograph. A picture taken with a camera. The photographs are beautiful. Sister. A female having the same parents as you. Louis has 2 sisters and 1 brother. Sister-in-law. The sister of your husband or the wife of your brother. Angela's sister-in-law is a teacher. Son. Your male child. Brenda's son is 10 years old. Son-in-law. The husband of your daughter. Kathleen has 2 daughters and 1 son-in-law. Uncle. The brother of your father or mother or the husband of your aunt. William is the uncle of those 2 children. Wedding. A ceremony in which 2 people get married. The wedding is at 2 p.m. Verbs. Certain words can be used as action words. For example, belong to be owned by someone. That red purse belongs to Martha. Dance. To move your body to music. Do you like to dance? Help. To do something for someone that will make a job or action easier. The teacher helps the students. Wash. To clean something with water. He washes the clothes. Expressions. Here we can learn about certain sentences used for expression. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Used to ask about someone's family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. Do you have any brothers or sisters? How about you? Used to ask someone a question about himself or herself. I'm from New York. How about you? Oh, really? Used to show interest. Martha, I have a new job. Susan, oh, really? Tell me about your family. Used to ask for information about someone's family. Mary, tell me about your family. Subject pronouns. The words that we use instead of a noun in a sentence. For example, I want to have juice. Here I replaces our name in the sentence. Similarly, we have I, you, he, she, it, we, they as subject pronouns which can be used in a sentence instead of nouns. Object pronouns. Object pronouns are those words that are used to substitute a noun that receives the action in a sentence. For example, give me the pencil. In this sentence, me is denoted to receive the action. Similarly, we have you, him, her, it, us, them, which can be used as object pronouns. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are often used to express possession or ownership. For example, this is her pencil. Here her denotes the ownership of pencil. Her comes as an adjective pronoun because it describes the noun pencil in the sentence. Similarly, we can use you, him, her, it, us, them, and who or whom as possessive adjectives. Possessive nouns. These are nouns that shows ownership of something. For example, my pocket is full. Here my denotes noun and also possession of the pocket. Similarly, your, his, her, its, are, their, whose can be used as possessive nouns. Hope this video has given an idea about the family relationships, certain expressions, possessive adjectives, and nouns. Thank you for watching the video. Like and share the videos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Sharing is caring. Don't hesitate to share with your team and engineering students. See you soon. Stay in tune with us.